What's up guys, my name is Nego Sialyang and I'm from 11 News A. For today's video, we will tackle about communication breakdown.
What is communication breakdown? A communication breakdown is defined as a failure to exchange information, resulting in the cause of communications breakdown. First, the cause of communication breakdown. Financial costs. When communication breakdown, the risk of accidents increases, which can result in equipment and property damage. OSHA situations or fines in cases where warnings and regulations. Second cause of communication breakdown is productivity costs. Two workers may be able to really enhance signals, but at a crew of 20, communication breakdown is low productivity and can lead to question of legal responsibility. Unnecessary work and overtime of this have financial consequence, especially if there's an incentive on the line of early completion. Third cause of communication breakdown: employee safety and satisfaction costs. When they can't hear each other, workers become frustrated. Tasks take too long to complete or need to repeat it due to the miscommunication, but they can communicate and avoid hearing damage from excessive noise exposure when forced to choose between clear communication and hearing protection. Workers may feel compromised and unsafe. 5 ways to resolve a communication breakdown. Number 1 is observe. How your business communicate may be ingrained in your ethos. You may have one overarching way that you expect every team to give the feedback information. This only works to a certain extent. I'm sure you can see the obvious reason why. It's useless to try the pin down communication strategy before you even get a team together, because you don't know the personalities of that team or how they're going to work together. Take the time to observe how each member of your team works. Talk to them in regular one-to-ones and discuss how best they like to receive information, relating to their job, role, and then how they feel they can best use this information for others. Number 2 is option. As discussed earlier, we rely heavily on email, giving your entire team only this tool to communicate with will take you straight to a communicate breakdown every time. Whether giving your team another computer based on tools, introducing more handles and meetings, encouraging team to pick up phone more, or urging team to physically walk around to a person's desk. Number 3 is sharing is caring. Updates, updates, updates. If the marketing team has just created a new campaign for the company, let everyone know. If the business analysts have just compiled a really interesting consumers report, share it out. Number 4 is practice make perfect. Providing consistent training sessions on how and why we communicate as a business. The best way to write an email communicating across every level of the company and how to give feedback in the most effective. Why we leave communication breakdowns the more you do them. These training sessions are also a great way to bring together members of staff who may not already be in direct contact with each other, building morale through one shared goal. Number 5 is one team, one dream. If you solve a communicate breakdown and teach your team the value of communication, the benefits abound. Good communication builds a strong team that people want to engage in. It streamlines work processes. It equips your workers with the tools to make on anything that's thrown at them, and ultimately makes your business sing. What is good communication? Before we dive straight into how communication can go so fantastically wrong, let's summarize what communication is. Communication is a two-way street. It is an exchange of information between two or more people. If either party doesn't hold up there, and this leads to miscommunication, insult more people, and you've got yourself a bit of a melting pot, especially if they don't know how to communicate effectively. The importance of communication in the workplace. Communication is considered a soft skill. Soft skill includes just motion, a social learning, and emotional intelligence. The account of 80% of a person's success over hard skills, which are things like IQ training and academic level. Not only may this stat surprise you, but it should prove how crucial the value of communication is, not only to person's success, but ultimately to a business as a whole. On our digital worlds, there is more emphasis than ever on being able to showcase the critical skill of communication. It is becoming increasingly difficult for new age workers to know how to reach out to others, connect with them, work as a team, and eventually become leaders.